Welcome. We are in week 4 of Painting Your Muse, and I am continuing to add additional layers to this portrait here, and I still have a lot of work to do. But what I really want to do, and I explain it in the video, I'm trying to just get one layer. I do want to do some glazing, and I want to be able to demonstrate that later this week. So fingers crossed that I can get this done. So I'm going to hurry up and get it done. So what has to happen is for the glazing to be successful is I need to let it all dry. The areas that I am painting that I want to glaze over needs to be completely dry. And what glazing is I'm creating a transparent layer that's going to deepen the darks and just deepen and just give depth to that skin tone. So that's what I want to try to do. So my goal today is I'm working on the body area. Tomorrow I'll work on the hand, and I think I need to rework the arm that's sitting up there. I don't know, it's bothering me. So I'm going to just kind of play with it a little bit, play with the values a bit, and just kind of finish up on the face. And then we'll do some glazing. I'll demonstrate how I do that. And eventually I will get this painting completed. If you are a subscriber, so you can subscribe to my Painting Your Muse every, so that you get the workshops every month. I will continue to share with you the completion of this piece as it moves forward. I'd like to get it done at least in the next month, fingers crossed, because I do want to submit it for a show that I'm really excited about, which I will share later. All right, so this is week 4, and I'm continuing to add additional layers, possibly doing some glazing later in the week. And I don't know, happy Sunday and happy creating.